when you started excluding and heal it?
I went to the Arvat mover once, and I didn't know as a kid. I put that vibhuti all over.
Vibhuti.
They said, "Why are you putting? We are not supposed to do that." That's when it's
Oh, who said?
my father.
Then complete with him about that also.
No, but he is on telling me go worship Dakshinamurti. Go. I don't go to any other temple except Vishnu. I mean, I'm not against. See, the way I equate it is like going to some other guru versus you. I feel it's not against.
No,
I'll
not
go
like
respect.
that. No. See, with the deities, receiving from anything is okay. See, with the guru, he is showing you the path and tradition. With the deity, it is more like a celebration, and showing your gratitude. That anywhere you can do. Why? You see all our temples, you will see Vishnu.
Yeah.
Huge Vishnu.
Yeah, I know.
Standing. In all my temples, only in Bidadi still I have not yet put, but we made the deity. Deity is ready, but because of construction is not yet done, we have not put. So this is, you see, I complete with that, it will go away.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. About orthodoxy, you wanted to ask some question. You missed. You are telling about in the young age you have been brought up with so much of orthodoxy. So because of that you did everything anti-orthodoxy.
Right. I started hating everything because like they used to put all these superstitions like lemon in places and saying and all that. See, thing is, looking at the perspective of all these priests and all of that.
Just observed closely. Complete orthodoxy. I tell you, that's the best way to live. Even now, when I take bath and come, I will not touch the old clothes. I'll sprinkle water. If I touch, I'll go and take once more full bath and come back.
I seen your muddy.
I tell you, you should live that. You should live that.
But
And anybody who will ask me, see, people feel, if people feel that I am suffocating you with pushing some lifestyle, then I'll keep myself away. But if you feel, I do not know, I ask you to guide me, then I'll simply say, the orthodox, traditional, South Indian Brahmin lifestyle.
Also, when we used to visit Srirangam very often, they used to torture us. You go step outside, you have to go behind, shower and come in. So many times you shower and you get cold.
Have you spoke to anybody who hosted me?
No.
If I have, when I go, those days I used to stay in devotees' house. Then I stopped completely and started staying only in our ashrams and temples. Whoever hosts me, the first list of the things required is all these orthodox things only, muddy only. Bucket, mug, and my achamaniyam, these, that, everything. The washed clothes will be separate and the used clothes will be separate. Nothing can touch one another. And the food after I eat, the plate has to go in separate direction. Before eating, it has to come separate direction. And the plate cannot be kept on the table on which I keep the deity. In my room, there is 100 rule. Direction move. Anybody South Indian Brahmin? So then all of you can understand what I am saying.
But how do you implement it, Swamiji, really?
You have to. See, still I brush as per Manu. 7 times I will brush. And wash as per Manu. Manu has given instruction how to wash and how to take bath. Everything will be exactly as per Manu. Manu is the first lawmaker of India. Means in the world. First lawmaker for the world. He has given a clear code, and even the dress, earlier our ashramites used to wear with that frill going up, that was designed as per Manu.
Vishri Madipur, right?
Yes, that was designed as per Manu. Now, recently I found a scripture which is older than Manu, that is why I changed into the Adinam style. Actually, not because I became Adinam, and I started wearing because I have to respect the Adinam. Then when I was digging about from where this dress style came, I saw the source is little older than Manu. And Manu refers, Yajnavalkya. That's why now I made this as a style. Everything, even the Rudraksha our Ashramites wear, everything is a clear number, everything is followed as per the tradition.
But up to 70 years ago, this Vishri Madipur was worn by Carnatic musicians. It got died last 60, 70 years.
That is what, recently it got died, but that was the original, the Brahmin dress, Brahminical dress. See, there are two, Devagacham, Asuri Gacham, Panchagacham.
Panchagacham.
In this is called Devagacham. So, you being a Brahmin boy, if you ask me, I'll strongly recommend, it is all nothing more than a little bit of training for your mind, but that lifestyle of the orthodoxy is an amazing and best lifestyle. I tell you, I have lived multiple lifestyles. I have tried, I am a guy who tried different lifestyles. I lived few months without even dress, Naga lifestyle. I lived as a Naga.
Okay.
Yes, in Omkareshwar forest. I lived without seeing artificial light for months. To experiment with some yogic techniques, I used to gaze at the sun from sunrise to sunset. Those days I will not see any artificial light. I have lived so many different lifestyles. I have lived just with one towel, begging and eating. And I have lived in palaces. I have lived in huts. I lived in multiple lifestyles. And I have studied multiple lifestyles. I have seen the rise and fall of many civilizations. And I have read, of course, through Akashic reading, I can get the reason for why they raised and why they fell. With all my intelligence, I can sincerely tell you, with my integrity and authenticity and responsibility, I can tell you, unenriching. Simply take up the orthodox Brahmin lifestyle for your personal practice. That's the best manual. That's the best manual. That's the best thing. And it brings so much of health, so much of peace, and so much of restful awareness to you. You just need to know. See, because the person who taught me did in a wrong way, the system is not wrong. Don't put your anger on the person towards the system. You understand what I am saying?
More than that, the instant benefit, if they don't get it, people abuse the system. That is what is the problem.
That is their problem.
Okay.
That is their problem. Instant benefit is also not coming because they don't do it properly.
Okay.
You understand? Now I am working with these Gurukul kids. All of you should know, my Gurukul kids, 90% success rate. When they want to stop the rain, they stop. All right, I'll tell them to give the demo, and I'm coaching them how to stop the rain or bring the rain. If they are taking the Nevedyam to temple, if it rains, they just know how to stop. 90% success rate. You understand? You see, it is just we need to make them understand it is possible. Understand? You will see now, I am already training. You see, why this inner awakening, both homas you would have seen, I brought priests from outside. Just to train in mantras for my Gurukul kids only. Otherwise, earlier inner awakening and all, my Gurukul kids were only doing. Gurukul kids and Ambananda. I am training them with more and more mantras. That's why I brought priests from outside. These guys you will see, maybe in few months they will be able to, means they will flower. Already they flowered in integrity. With integrity, when they utter, like a switch, the mantras will become reality. I am developing a website called Authentic Vedic Rituals, we show you the result or money back. Any problem, you request, these Gurukul kids will perform the ritual with their integrity and authenticity in Vak Siddhi, they will give you the word or money back. It is not for pride. I'll prove everything of Vedic tradition is truth-based. It is not superstition-based. The delay is just because of the procedural mistakes. Nothing else. Nothing else. It is so unfortunate. Last 60 years, even Brahmins lost trust on all these things. Even though we tell others, even they themselves, see, my mission is even to the Tirupati priests, giving them the confidence they are right and making them do things with integrity. Just because they lack integrity, I cannot give up. Understand? So you should understand from that angle and keep it alive. Keep it alive. And I tell you, especially the Brahmins who are sitting here, you should make sure your next generation, this wisdom is transferred. This knowledge is transferred. Otherwise, you are doing parampara hadya. You are killing the parampara, which should not be done. Your father and grandfather has done that in India. Last 2 generations. Just see what your great-grandfather, every Brahmin family will have a story. My great-grandfather was a Vaksiddha. If he tells, it will happen. Tell me, how many of the Brahmin family you have the stories like my great-grandfather, he fixed the time and died. He is a Vaksiddha. If he gives some vibhuti, people will be healed. Raise the hand. Raise the hand, let me see fully. So each one of you, raise the hand. Why are you dropping it? Keep the hand straight. Each one of you, just in 2 generations, parampara hadya has happened. Means the killing of parampara has happened. Is it not? Just 2 generations. Killing of the parampara. So now all your responsibility, your sons and daughters learn this science. Learn this science. Soon I will make it as a syllabus. You see, the initial, now I am working, now only I am separating it. You see, the Gurukul is not, alright, drop the hands. Gurukul is not the solution for everyone because the Gurukul slowly kids are becoming sannyasis and so everybody is afraid. That's why now I am separating Rishikul and Gurukul. Gurukul kids only, they will be Krama Brahmacharis and Sannyasis. There will be other team, Rishikul, means they will be Grihasthas, they will go back to their family, but live the tradition. Live the tradition and create the Sangha there in that area. Create that whole thing alive. And one more worst thing is, because I am not a born Brahmin, for whom I am serving, they are attacking me.
We also get attacked like that. Why are you following? He's not a Brahmin.
That is the worst thing. Can you imagine to whom I am reviving, to whom I am dedicating my life, for whom I am sacrificing, because I am not born in that community. Brahmins have attacked me more than atheists. Dinamalar, Kumudam, the Brahmin media has done more damage to me than Sun TV. Because these guys only continued. In the initial level, I was able to divide the media, Sun TV and everyone other side. But when I became Madurai Adinam, the whole Brahmin community was shaken because all the top Brahmin fellows said, he will build Madurai like Kanchipuram. He will make Madurai as a non-Brahmin power center. See, Kanchipuram is a Brahmin power center. So there is no non-Brahmin power center in Tamil Nadu. So they all know that I will make Madurai as a non-Brahmin power center. Over. The whole Brahmin media took turn against me. After that I was not able to stand anything.
one thing I want to ask is like the case against you about Adinam, right? So, is that not the
There is no, Madurai Adinam report document very clearly says, having a case is not a thing. Only if somebody is convicted, he cannot sit in the seat.
Have other much supported you in this? Because something can happen to them in future, right?
They don't care about it. They don't care about it. That is the problem of Hinduism. That's the problem of Hinduism. Kanchi Swami, who has a case, murder case, and who is sitting in the seat, for whom I gave up all my programs and everything, stood 1 month in the street when he was in the problem, supporting him. And he gave a statement against me.
I remember.
But when I filed the case, he was shaken. Then he came and met me in the Kumbh Mela.
Right.
First time, means a non-Brahmin Swami is given an equal seat to him. He sat equally to me.
I was there.
In Kumbh Mela. You saw, na?
Right.
Why this unnecessarily? We could have had such a good relationship. That's a foolishness. What to do? But I am not going to give up. I'll make them also understand about their pride. See to it. See, real dedication is dedicating to people who don't even understand your dedication. It's real dedication. Not just the people who understand and reciprocate. That's easy. Who understand and celebrate you. Dedicating to them is not that is more like a politics. Dedicating even to the people who don't understand you. When atheist attacked me, I did not care. This is the fight. Come on, you and me. Forever I am going to destroy you. Come on. But when the Brahmins attacked me, oh God, are you fools? I am the fruit of you. It is like a root is fighting with the fruit. Understand? The tree fighting with the fruit. But what to do? Sometimes the root need to be told, Are, I am your fruit. I may be tasty, but I am your fruit. Don't be jealous of me. If the Brahmin media has not attacked me, the Madurai Adinam problem would not have happened. Because atheist fellows, who are you to talk about our religion? It is internal matter, get out. It's related to Hinduism, get out. I finished it. But when the Brahmin media started attacking me, I am not able to handle. I was not able to answer them. Logically I answered. Everybody said, what is this? Even your people are not, Hindus are not respecting you. I said, all right. But even now, legally nothing can be done. That is what they are literally pulling their hair. See, legally, once
It's transferred.
now once the Pattabhishekam is done. You can't remove. Even now, legally, I am the hair. As per the government record, still I am the 292. Nothing can be done about it. 293. I am the 293. Okay. That nothing can be done about it. You understand? They are scratching the head. What to do? But even the Brahmins need to be taught that was theirs was the best lifestyle, which last 2 generations got lost.
For that I am grateful to my father. He forced that on me.
Are, what you are talking about your father? How many times when my mentors, both mentors, I'll kick them. Raghupati Yogi, now I just melt in front of his photograph because I know what he has done to me. The body he created for me, how beautifully I am able to live, and the mind, the inner space he created for me, how beautifully I am able to live. See, each one of your incarnations, he made me experience it. That is not a joke. Understand? See, knowing that Padmanabha Swami has a 5 lakh crore wealth and being a owner and able to live, there's a big difference, na? I also tell you, all you guys are incarnations, but you can't use those powers and those, all the treasures an incarnation inherits. My gurus made me use. Now I'm so grateful. But when they trained me, I'll run away from them, I'll eat at them, sometimes I'll kick. When he's sleeping, I'll kick at him. And I'll spit on him. I've done all that. So, who taught us? Our anger towards the person should not turn towards the system.